And today I wanted to share with you Disney's RACERS Mickey Mouse Transporter. It carries up to 6 racers. It has an adjustable loading ramp and a detachable cab. Oh, you can see me. And a Steamboat Willie racer is included. That looks pretty cool. So I'm by the pool today, and you may hear some people having fun next door, but here we have 4 racers. So first of all, there's Mickey Mouse, Woody, R2-D2 and Buzz Lightyear. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so here's our Buzz Lightyear die-cast metal body race car. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, let's take a look at it in close detail. How cool is that, guys? That's amazing. And next we have Woody. Let's unbox it. So we just have to take a close look at this one. I love the hat, and look at the wheels. That's amazing. And our next one to take a look at is R2-D2 from Star Wars.
2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Looking good.
9, 0. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Oh wow,
5, 6.
that's amazing. And this one has 3 wheels. Very cool. And our last individual car for today is, of course, Mickey Mouse. Wow, that's super cool. I just love these die-cast metal Disney racers. They're awesome. And look at the fantastic wheels on the Mickey Mouse car. So cool. Take a look at the Disney RACERS Mickey Mouse Transporter. This is going to be so cool. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, so exciting. And it just goes on and on and on. This is just amazing, guys. It's got a cab that pivots. It's got 6 sections for different cars. And also, the back comes down. And this part can lift up and down. A Steamboat Willie racer that's included. Okay, let's load up our transporter. Steamboat Willie. Woody. R2-D2. Buzz Lightyear. And Mickey Mouse. And let's lower the back. So there you go then guys, that's the Disney Mickey Mouse Racer Transporter, complete with Buzz Lightyear vehicle, C-3PO, Mickey Mouse and of course Woody. Be sure to like this video then guys, and be sure to subscribe to the MGTracey channel. Also 4 boxes will appear. Tap on any of those boxes to continue the toy.